The world famous foods with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz. So today we can be making our world famous hot sauce. Here we got some peppers from my garden, some I bought in the store. Got some garlic, some kosher salt, some turmeric, vinegar, juice of the lime, and some onions. World famous foods. So we cut up the peppers after we wash them. Now we just put them in the blender, and we're going to just add onions, garlic, lemon juice, some salt, some turmeric, and some vinegar. Now we just blend it all together. Okay, that was about 2 minutes of blending. I think we're good to go. Our world famous foods hot sauce. So there's our sauce, folks. This is the stuff that even Ron Daniels can handle. World famous foods.